Hello, hello, I'm Matthias. So I would like to invite you to my newest courses and webinars that we are launching for October and November in the Future Media Academy platform. Let me just show you a few of them. Let's just go to the website a little bit. We have the course, of course, the long 5 lessons, 15-hour, 3-hour each lesson course with all the topics, all the materials, all the techniques, all the tips and tricks. Yeah, this one has everything, has the from beginners, from the very scratch to most of the most advanced techniques with granular wavetable synthesis, reactor, mastering, mixdown, all those things. Also, there is the webinars. We put this new one, the topography of psytrance music with Megalopsy and Frantic Noise. This is a 3-hour webinar that we will talk about the creation of this legendary track called El Foie. This track we made with Arsec a few years ago and it was very popular, and I think many of you guys would like to see how these sounds were made. The other webinar is gonna be about music theory. This is for the people that would like to add that dimension to their music, that think they are lacking a little bit of theory, harmony and rhythm. This is exactly that. This is a 3-hour course based only on chords, scales, modes, progression, intervals, some of the tools I use like MIDI effects and Cthulhu, and we can take a look at some of the melodies from my tracks. Also some techniques on how to process voices without a tune. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope I see you there. Now I will leave you with the video tutorial for today. I hope you guys like it. Boom. Damn it. Alright, so let's do any arpeggiator thingy, the SERUM.
I mean, there in El Foie, I don't remember having like some crazy revelation using crazy wavetables. I think it was really some nice spiky one and then the arpeggiator.
Now we should have a synthesizer.
There, yeah, there we go.
My bad, guys, sorry. Alright, that is the arpeggio. So let's try this again. Single DSP, Angel Dealey. This sounds very much like that track.
Yeah, it's like pitch shifters and pitch delay.
I want a version like this. Let's see if it sounds good. Well, I need more track here. I'm running out of track here. All right. So I want a version like this. It sounds like shit, but I think I like it. The detuning, the weirdness. So yeah, let's try a different version. What are you doing here? What are you doing? What you doing, mate? Okay, so what loud delay was nice. Tap delay.
Nice.
The freezing, right?
So Matty, there, if you want, you can show them how to use the step to turn on the freeze.
Okay. I use normally the LFO, but I can try with the step, yeah?
The step is easy because it's off and on, you know, so it's very easy values.
Yeah. So I assign this to the freeze and then...
Yep. You should press assign first. Is it already there?
I think so.
So turn it all the way up. You see the slider. You have to manage to yeah.
That one, yeah. Nice. So you can have some.
You can do some nice sequences there, which I use a lot.
I don't like what I did. I don't like it. I like also these ones, the Teratron and the Ryuchi, for glitching it a little bit. Now it's doing nothing.
Ron works with the freeze. Maybe try cloud delay, that is the most obvious one. And now maybe you should turn the mix all the way up, Matheus. Yeah, there.
I want to save this. And the other. This one was supposed to be cool also. It's kind of a buffer override one, the Ryuchi.
Yes, I think so.
But it sounds a little different, no? It's
I
worth
think
having,
it's doing some pitch shift somehow.
sounds it's worth having the diversity of not using the bit repeater in all the sounds. I think, no, because I abuse it too much, that little guy.
Yes, me too. I use all these things to get different colors, and then in the end, it's like, yeah, it's the same idea, but with just a slightly different color.
Yep, that's a good advice right there. Yeah, those are the ones I think we use the most, and at least me are the ones that I like to use the most from the single DSPs.
Yeah,
This
me, I use essential
plagiarism,
delay and cloud delay basically from these ones. Maybe after you.
this one is super weird, no? Nice.
Yes, this one I use sometimes. Mostly I use like engine delay for all the kick and bass stuff, and then cloud delay I use for everything. In this track I put it in the master, for example, also to do the break.
Nice.
Yeah, so cool.
Man, this is cool.
Very nice. It's making like a Wurlitzer, like a Hammond, no? So
yeah,
nice.
yeah. Fuck. All right, let's record. I tried to say like a Puerto Rican, but I couldn't. Puerto Rico,
It
bebé.
sounds more like Chinese when you say it in English, le called.